Hey guys, it's Uncle Chris. I'm back. I've been MIA for a little bit, but that's because we had to do some renovations on the kitchen. Hey, that's how you work it when you're poor, right, John? All right. So what we're going to do tonight is some more lazy cooking. I don't want to be seen on camera tonight because my hair is all over my head. I just can't do it tonight. All right. So I've got about, I want to say, 2.5 bunches of collard greens. I'm going to put right here in my slow cooker because this is lazy cooking. This is not going to be a quick, it's not going to be a all day thing. It's going to be an all night thing where you just walk away. All right. Stuff your greens in here. Don't worry, they are going to cook down. I also have 1 onion. I have chopped up 1/2 of a very large jalapeno because I want a little kick to my greens. Okay. Hope I'm not blocking the view. All right. Now we are going to take about a tablespoon, yes, of crushed red pepper. I'm doing this to taste, but I'm saying about a tablespoon because that's about how much I'm going to put in. Or you could use 1/2, okay? If you don't want that much heat, don't turn it up. I'm also going to take about a teaspoon of black pepper. These are collard greens. This is the perfect time of year for them. Okay? Now, go to the store and get you some green seasoning. No, it's not sponsored. But if you want to, you know how to contact me. Okay. Yeah. Get you some green seasoning. Makes it much simpler. Put it in. This is lazy cooking, quick and simple. Get you about, I would say, a teaspoon, okay? You can use fresh garlic, but I am using garlic powder, okay? Put that in here. Not too much because that garlic powder could really take over. All right. Now, I'm using smoked turkey. This was left over from another meal. I froze it. You do not have to thaw it. You just put it in there as is. I'm putting plenty. I'm putting 3 nice pieces up in here. All right. Now, also have you a nice glass of grape juice on hand to ease your nerves. That's right, it's grape juice. That's my story, and I'm sticking to it. All right. I'm pouring in water just enough to come up just about to the top. Yes, and that will be enough. Now, just take this and mix it down a little bit. But trust me, it's going to mix itself when it starts cooking. Okay? These greens are going to release some water. So you should have enough for all night. But in the morning, check it. If it's not enough water, you'll put some more in. Okay? You put all your ingredients in here. Like I said, y'all, this is going to be a quick video. Okay? Make sure all your ingredients are mixed up in there. Ooh, this smells good. Take another drink of your grape juice. Yes, I said grape juice. I'm turning mine too high. I'm grabbing the top. And that's it. In the morning, you're gonna have your collard greens done. Excellent, excellent, excellent. All right, I'll check back with you in the morning. All right, everybody, as promised, here are the greens done. It is the morning, and just look at there. Well, well, well. What do you know? Lazy cooking at its best. I'm gonna let this just go a little bit more. And then I'm gonna make me some cornbread and chow down. All right, all my nieces and nephews, comment, like, and subscribe. Listen to your Uncle Chris now. All right, till next time. Oh, and I'm gonna show you my food pantry haul coming up. Bye-bye.